While no single meal plan actually guarantees strong immunity and saves you from all the diseases, it is vital to note that a well-balanced, nutritious diet can actually support your overall health. So here's a 7-day breakfast plan that you can follow with all the nutrients that you will need. So for day 1, you can have Daliya topped with sliced bananas, walnuts and a little bit of cinnamon, and for beverage you can opt for ajwain water. For day 2, you can opt for green spinach smoothie bowl along with mixed berries, chia seeds and a drizzle of honey. And since we are going with all greens for beverages, you can opt for green tea. For day 3, you can opt for whole grain toast along with poached eggs, a sprinkle of black pepper and avocado slices. And for beverages, you can opt for freshly squeezed orange juice. For day 4, you can opt for quinoa breakfast bowl that will have sorted vegetables and cherry tomatoes along with poached eggs. And for beverage, you can opt for cinnamon water. For day 5, you can opt for Idli Sambar or coconut chutney, and for the beverage, you can go for mint and cucumber detox water. For day 6, you can opt for whole grain pancakes along with freshly cut strawberries and Greek yogurt. And for beverages, you can opt for turmeric latte with almond milk. For day 7, you can opt for whole grain Cheela, freshly cut cucumber along with coriander chutney. And for beverages, you can opt for jeera water. So the breakfast options that we have mentioned are rich in vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, fibers, and they also help you in sustaining your energy. So let us know in the comment section if you'll follow this diet plan or not.